All right, good afternoon. Another episode of Silverado Sav's Real World on the 3-liter Duramax. Just got myself a present. Got a new Bakflip tonneau cover from tonneaucoverfactory.com. Gotta say I'm thoroughly impressed. The box came in as if I went to the store and picked it up off the shelf myself. Came FedEx in just over 5 days. So I ordered it the end of last week, and with the weekend, got it by Friday. They said end of day, got it this morning. Painting the house. Shut it down early because it's quite hot outside, almost 90 degrees here. So here it is, the Bakflip MX4 folding cover. This is the matte finish on the Bakflip. It was almost $1,000. I think I paid around $839 with tax, or with shipping or taxes. I think shipping was free, but with taxes. Really happy with the gentleman I talked to on it. So I will cut out here, get it unboxed, get it on my diesel, and we'll go from there. See you in a minute. All right, getting Bakflip MX4 installed. Gotta say this fit and finish is unreal. So I got the side rails installed with the aid of my lovely wife, of course. Couldn't have done it without her. Just to ensure that they get that proper finish. But I gotta say, it is nice, tidy. A lot of thought put into the details on this thing. I mean, that is crisp. Gotta love it. Can't wait to see the rest of it. Top's going on now. See you in a minute. All right, we're done with the Bakflip tonneau cover on the 2020 Silverado. She installed pretty well. You do need that second hand to get it good, to hold down these final bolts for the bolt down. Everything came out good. I left it out in the heat, so it formed pretty well right around the truck. Took a little bit of lining to do to get it to line up. Overall, build quality of the tonneau cover seems good. I do have a little bit of excess buildup of glue on the middle of the seam here. That's the only thing. Everything else is really nice and tight. But for some reason, they got some excess buildup on the glue there. So I might ask them about that just to see. Maybe they'll warranty the cover. Maybe they'll just say keep an eye on it. This does have a 5-year warranty on it. That's why I did go with it. And it's the flat black. Another thing I know has been an issue with the tailgate release. It's working now. It didn't initially. So maybe that it's wearing in, it's starting to work. But seems good. I can't wait to see if it actually improves the MPG or not. But seems pretty simple as far as opening it. So I just clip the one, fold over, clip it again. And then now when it goes up against the cab, these are a must. They give you some other ones that are taller because it may hit the cab. So when you pull this up, you'll see as it does come across, and it does hit there. I think what they're concerned about is it actually, this might actually rub because it gets so close. So I may put the thicker ones on, we'll see. But other than that, see. Supposed to be able to just slam it shut. Supposed to take the abuse. Latches. Shouldn't have to go to the other side. There we go. She's secure. We'll see. Thanks for watching. I'll give you a review on it as I use it the first time on the road trip here later this month. Thanks for watching, and beautiful sunset. Have a good night.